In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a recipient or signer to a document on Docusign. This process is simple and efficient, and I'll walk you through it step by step. So whether you're a seasoned Docusign user or just getting started, this guide will make it easy for you to manage your documents effectively. First, let's get started by heading over to the Docusign website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Docusign. Docusign is renowned as the #1 platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, so you're in the right place for all of your document signing needs. Now that you're on the Docusign homepage, look towards the top of the screen and you'll find the Login button. Click on it. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to set one up. It's straightforward, and having an account will allow you to start managing your documents today. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. This is your command center for all document related activities. Now it's time to initiate the process of adding a recipient or signer. Look for the Start button, which is prominently displayed on the homepage. Clicking this button will take you into the document preparation phase. You are now in the document preparation phase, where you can select and upload the document you want to send. After selecting your document, you'll see the option to Add Recipient. Click on this to begin adding the people who need to interact with your document. You'll see a field where you can input the recipient's email address. This is crucial, as Docusign will use this email to notify your recipient. Once you've entered the email, you'll be given a variety of actions that the recipient can take. Since we want them to sign the document, select Needs to Sign. This option will prompt the recipient to provide their signature once they receive the document. With that final step complete, you've now successfully added a recipient to your document. Once you're satisfied with your settings and recipient details, you can send the document off for signing. Your recipient will receive an email notification to sign the document electronically, and you can track the status of your document seamlessly within Docusign. There you have it. You know how to efficiently add a recipient or signer to your documents on Docusign. This powerful tool simplifies the signature process, making it easy for everyone involved. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy signing.